Good morning. We're at Mont Surfaces along with Brian Miller and Lisa Marty, and we're going to be talking about granite.
So Brian, tell us some of the misconceptions of granite when used in a home.
Well, the misconceptions were that it comes with a lot of maintenance. There is no maintenance when it comes to this granite. It should be sealed, which is an impregnating clear liquid, by every fabricator. They will prevent it from doing any major staining. The granite is virtually stain-proof, scratch-proof, burn-proof. You can take your cookie sheets right out of the oven or right on there. You're not necessarily going to take a boiling hot pot right off the stove and put it onto the stone.
That is the number one question people
do ask. That is the number one question. And the reason we don't suggest that is because it's not bulletproof, but yet it is truly really the second hardest surface next to a diamond.
So let's talk about how granite is mined in the earth.
We have relationships, again, that go back with our quarries that last 30 plus years.
All over the world.
All over the world. It comes off of mountains, and they're coming off in enormous blocks. Those blocks are processed by slicing them to generally in the Midwest, 1 3/16 inch thick, and then they're put back together like a loaf of bread. Granite can be used in bathrooms, kitchens, fireplace surrounds.
And outdoor applications.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's the number one, actually.
We have a list that we provide people that really are geared for outdoor. There are only so many granites that can be used, especially here in the Midwest, outside because of freeze thaw.
Is granite one of the top choices for kitchens and baths?
It is. It's really within your top 3 in the country right now. So we really have color ranges that go all through the spectrum.
Let's talk about when someone does come in and wants to view some granite slabs. Can you walk us through that process?
Oh, sure. Clients come in and they'll meet our inside sales team first. Very knowledgeable. We don't just send them out there. They almost hold their hand. When we get them started, we have a form for them to make notes on where the stone is at, all the colors they're choosing.
So you're taking all the anxiety out of it for them.
We take it all out of it.
Can you give us some examples on why granite does fluctuate in price?
And here at Mont, we have groups category A through Z. A being the least expensive, Z of course being the most expensive. It has nothing to do with the color, the character of the stone. It's simply how much is on the mountain. We have stones in there that can only be mined 3 months out of the year because of the weather on the mountain. That's a rare stone.
So Brian, would you say a homeowner gets a true investment opportunity to get a return on this when they go to sell their home?
To put something that, again, is within a top 3 specified in the country and world right now, your return on investment comes with that price.
Brian, how do we start the process?
The best way to do it is really look up Mont Surfaces, go to our website. It'll have our location, our phone number. We have live inventory, and it shows people the 400 plus natural stones and our engineered quartz line. Everything is on the website to look at. We have 2 late nights during the week. We are also open on Saturdays. There's no need for an appointment, and we are open to the general public. Visiting Mont is the best place to start your project.
Cheers.
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 Yep.